Now let us discuss one by one. We start with the first one called as ozonolysis of alkenes or olefins. Now generally the ozone is a triatomic molecule since it contains the formula is O3, 3 oxygen atoms present, therefore it is a triatomic molecule. So generally the ozone which reacts with unsaturated compounds, they containing at least one double bond or a triple bond, means alkenes, alkynes, which means ozone does not react with saturated compounds containing a single bond called as alkanes. Alkanes से कभी भी ओजोन रिएक्ट नहीं करता है, it reacts with only alkenes or alkynes. So generally the ozone it involves in alkenes reaction by addition, that is we have to add 3 oxygen atoms. So ozone contains 3 oxygen, so we have to add 3 oxygen atoms to the alkenes or olefins in presence of a Lewis base called as zinc, followed by the hydrolysis, so that the carbonyl compounds such as aldehydes and ketones are formed through an intermediate called as ozonoids. तो alkene को हम कभी भी ओजोन ऐड किया तो in presence of a zinc Lewis base, since it donates electron, that's why we call it as a Lewis base, followed by the addition of water hydrolysis, so that aldehydes or ketones are formed through an intermediate called as ozonoids or alkene ozonoids. So generally the ozone is a dipolar molecule since it contains one positive pole called as cation and a negative pole called as anion. So ozone में एक डबल बॉन्ड रहता है and it contains one coordinate covalent bond. So if you remove the coordinate covalent bond, then ions are formed. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है और एक ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आता है. बट द नेगेटिव चार्ज बिटवीन दीज टू कार्बन इज ऑलवेज रोटेट्स. एक टाइम में यहाँ पर एक माइनस चार्ज रहता, दूसरी टाइम में ये ऑक्सीजन के पास माइनस चार्ज आ जाता है. So the negative charge will be rotated between these oxygen atoms. So it contains one positive charge, one negative charge, dipolar molecule. Now let us see one example. So I am taking one alkene RCH double bond CH RR बोलो तो alkyl group है, मिथाइल इथाइल प्रोपाइल कौन सा भी ले सकते हैं. For that we are adding ozone. So by the addition of ozone, so that between these two carbons, so we have to add one oxygen on the top side, ऊपर में एक ऑक्सीजन आता है, and one oxygen on this carbon bottom side, one oxygen on this carbon. So यहाँ पर एक ऑक्सीजन आ जाता है, यहाँ पर एक, यहाँ पर आ सकता है. So between these them single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond is formed. So therefore it is an alkene. So the product name is called as alkene ozonoid. It is an intermediate. But alkene ozonoid is an unstable compound. So due to instability it undergoes dissociation. ऐसा dissociation हो जाता है. So therefore it dissociated into two molecules. So RCHO one molecule, RCHO another molecule. So that in presence of a Lewis base by addition of water, so RCHO will be eliminated as RC double bond OH. तो यहाँ पर पहला सिंगल बॉन्ड था वो डबल बॉन्ड हो जाता है, RC double bond OH, RC double bond OH, so that it forms aldehyde. So what is remaining? We have oxygen. तो ये ऑक्सीजन वाटर से कंबाइंड होता है, H2O plus O, then it forms H2O2, हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड इज फॉर्म. तो आल्कीन्स को हम कभी भी ओजोन ऐड किया तो पहला ओजोनाइड फॉर्मेशन आता है. ओजोनाइड फॉर्मेशन डिसोसिएशन होता है टू मॉलिक्यूल जैसा, so that one is aldehyde, other one is aldehyde is formed. So one shortcut technique is there in the ozonolysis, that is whenever we have a double bond, then between these double bond the bond dissociation takes place. तो ये ऑफ पार्ट है, ये ऑफ पार्ट है, तो यहाँ पर कार्बन के ऊपर एक डबल बॉन्ड आता है वो, तो ये कार्बन के पास डबल बॉन्ड वो आ जाता है. तो प्रोडक्ट क्या है? RC डबल बॉन्ड OH, RC डबल बॉन्ड OH. इतना सिंपल टेक्निक है. तो यहाँ पर एक डबल बॉन्ड वो आता, ए कार्बन के पास एक डबल बॉन्ड हो जाता है, RC डबल बॉन्ड OH, RC डबल बॉन्ड OH. So aldehyde is formed. So generally the ozonolysis of the olefins or alkenes in absence of zinc dust, zinc powder को हम जिंक डस्ट बोलते हैं, So in absence of zinc powder Lewis base, then by addition of water, so that instead of aldehydes or ketones, generally the carboxylic acids are formed. That is, if we take olefin, ozone is added, so that it is ozonide is formed, but it is an unstable one, so dissociation takes place. By addition of water without zinc test, then RCHO becomes RC double bond OH, RCHO become RC double bond OOH. Carboxylic acids are generally formed.